All right, last one.
Sea otters hold hands to stop them from drifting apart and losing each other when they sleep in the water.
This is cute.
What a wonderful way
To
end the show.
Yeah, it really is.
Just a little bit of
Where's my buddy?
camaraderie between sea otters as they just try to take a nap in the
It's a big bed.
water here. Yeah, let's float together. If we got to float, let's float together. If we got to go, let's go. Oh, he pushed him away. He's like, that's enough of that. That's enough of that hand holding.
Oh, it's cute.
It's
is
funny
it replaying?
that they both appreciate it. Like, do they actually, they don't float. They just drift together. They're still drifting
Right.
equally, but they drift together. So,
I mean, there's a current.
yeah. If we got to float, let's float together. I wonder what the advantage is other than the camaraderie. Hunting, are they better together when they're going after the fish and whatnot?
Mm-hmm.
Are they? Is there mating going on?
There could be like a family thing, right?
I don't know.
You know?
It's a possibility, but either way, it's a lovely clip.
Maybe defensive, like
Those are some lovely otters. Oh, defensive, twice the target.
Yeah,
Right.
The
or
hawk
bigger
or
the
whatever.
target.
The hawk is like, I'm leaving that alone. I don't even know what that is.
Yeah.
I don't even know. Is that an otter or a beaver or a coyote or what is it? I'm going to leave it alone. It's a big target. I can't deal with it. One otter, all day.
Mm-hmm.
Two together, too much. Two is too much. They could create a whole chain, though, with the handshake method. They could be a whole... They float really well, don't they? Look how relaxed they are. Look, they're sunbathing.
Uh-huh.
I want to float like that. Be nice on vacation. Look at the glistening sun over there. Man, the life of an otter.
Oh, yeah.
You ever think about it? They ever having a bad day?
I'm sure some days.
Oh, like the time the hawk got him
Yeah.
and he never recovered. And there is no more otter after that.
Oh, no.
Right. Whoo! What a day. What is it, a Thursday? Thank you to everybody who joined us here today. We truly appreciate it. Thank you for all the super chats. Thank you to Mo, as usual, for putting up with everything he puts up with. Thank you to Will, who was yawning before the show started and then all of a sudden had to bless us with like unbelievable insight.
Yeah.
Still recovering from the insight. Insight's not normally a thing you have to recover from unless it's really heavy insight, in which case you might need to take a nap, in which case you might need to hold an otter's hand so you don't drift away.
It's one of those days, you know?
Type of insight Willie Doo had. It's a Thursday, which is not the last day of the week. It means we're gonna see you again before your relaxing weekend. We're gonna see you tomorrow when the even bigger news breaks. And there's only one place it breaks. Right here on CNN Plus.